Hi everyone, this is StockJanitor. Welcome to my Value Digger series. Today I'll be talking about a few topics: the market, technical analysis, stock valuation wise, and also US economy separately. And then I'll go through some value digging stocks and past watch lists and dividends. All right. And also you're always welcome to my Discord channel, Stock Association, and we can chat about stocks and share valuable information. These are earning reports. I just dragged them and uploaded. These are Merrill Lynch reports. I love them. They're really informational. Also IPOs and then important videos. Also links. So welcome to my channel. Yep. Mm, what else? Okay. Now let's talk about the the indices. So I want to share a resistance line that has been there for a quite while. From last year's drop to September high point, you form a resistance line, and then every time it touches it drops. So this is a pretty useful resistance line. My buddy taught me this line. I'm pretty bad at technical analysis, but I, I, I I feel good about valuation, providing valuation to stocks. So yeah, fundamental wise, yeah, I'm pretty good at fundamental. I feel like I'm pretty good at it at least. So yeah, every time it drops, Nasdaq dropped. So even Dow Jones. So there's also a top resistance line. Wow, it's moving weird. Okay, so you see, this is small trend line, and that's weird. Okay, and the resistance line. You see, every time it touches, so Dow may just start dropping. You never know, right? So according to technical, it's pretty scary. Also, I want to show you guys the monthly for Nasdaq. The Nasdaq monthly is very scary actually. As you can see at the high point, there's a huge resistance coming, and this is a dropping bar. Yeah, I feel like it really depends on the end of the month, how it will form. So yeah, I just keep speculating that. But overall, I think Nasdaq might be overvalued. But speaking of Dow wise, Dow has made new high for sure. Yes. I also said 33K in December, right? It hit that point. But right now, I see most of the rise is because the larger companies, larger tech, especially Apple, Microsoft, for example, um, they're you know lifting the index to go up, and traditional companies like Bank of America, IBM, other traditional 30 blue chips are not uh, did not recover fully from the uh, pre-pandemic. So I mean, it's really interesting. So if they do recover, they will keep going up, you know, or it touch the resistance or keep dropping. So I don't know. I mean, that's why I put, I feel like all the valuations are okay. Some are overvalued, maybe some aren't. So it's pretty fair at current point. I don't see too much. Yeah. But US economy as a whole, um, I know there's a lot of unemployment. And I also understand that the Federal Reserve will support the economy with no doubt. You know, me personally is super optimistic about the U.S. economy. Um, I believe that our country will, survive this disaster and get over this pandemic and move on, and also, uh, you know, having new highs in the future. But in for these recent years, these couple of years, the indice might, keep swinging around. So yeah, so yeah, I just want to share that my opinion, and hmm, yeah, I don't know how it's gonna go, but I have confidence in our economy, and yeah, it could go any way, but technically it looks scary, right? So yeah, so okay, let's talk about individual stocks. Root, my favorite. I found this, last December or November. I just grinding it, right? I made some money, and then I'll keep making money on Root. I think. So it dropped, as I said from previous weekly video, that it might keep dropping because of the MACD entering red zone, right? So yeah, so this is the new low actually, and I don't know if it's gonna keep going new low. Someone told me around $8. So, but I've been adding position these couple days and weeks, around the $11 and $10. 11 actually, 11.5, 11 and 12. Yeah, I've been adding positions, and I'll keep adding if it keep dropping. So yeah, I like this company. As long as there's no, fake fake accounting or fake technology, as long as there's no fraud, I like this company a lot actually. Yeah. um, yeah, and these are my previous watch lists. I don't have any positions because I went to Salt Lake City for vacation, right? And yeah, I've been playing BBQ, small place, like just for fun. And yeah, I like BBQ. Yeah, and it's tasty too. Uh, okay, I'll talk about a couple new companies. Veritiv, it's an interesting company. It's a packaging company, and they recycle paper. I feel like the next trend is greenhouse emissions. That's why I've been searching around. I found this company pretty interesting, and the earnings are pretty strong actually, from negative becoming positive and growing rapidly. So I didn't buy it yet. I just put it on watch list to observe it. Yeah. Yeah. All these I'm observing. I only have Root. Yeah. And Aqua. It's a clean water technology company. I like it, and the positive earnings. So yeah, I also put it on watch list. And yeah, this is also a greenhouse emission. So I didn't do too much research on these, not yet, because recently I've been doing taxes and stuff. But I picked these out just for further observance and studies. And long-term dividend. Uh, as I said, I love this super stock HPP. I've been adding position around here, as you know, and then I went to Salt Lake City from here, I think. So I stopped around here, and I cut a fourth of my position here, and but I like this company. As you all know from my previous video, it's about real estate, Class A buildings. So yeah, and Kroger, I love Kroger. So not much to talk about. And these are my I have positions all all long terms. So after H including and after HPP, I have all these long term. Also, MOO, I talked about it around $40, and then it's growing. So just collecting dividends, I guess. And Fubo, I want to mention Fubo separately because I found some material information I like that made me like Fubo more. Yeah, I mean it's considered TV streaming, it's considered technology, considered gaming because they want to do sports betting and consider betting too. Yeah, sports betting games, and I think they're developing it and just having a lot of qualities in hot sectors is a desirable trait for me. Yeah. So yeah, that's how I did. I didn't do much. Just observing all stocks, and I'm waiting for this month and see how the monthly goes for Nasdaq, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I guess just adding some roots and yeah, cut some HPP. That's it. So yeah, mm, yeah. This is an old PPT, so I just changed the dates here. See, I forgot to change the dates here, but oh, this is the past date. Okay, I don't know. Anyways, so thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe and welcome to my channel also. Um, yeah, I've been back then. I've been making videos and editing it. Right now, I don't have time and energy, so I just record everything together in one video. And yeah, so anyone who have time to volunteer, it will be highly appreciated. So yeah,